The last thing I need to talk to you about is something called angles of elevation and angles of depression. So elevation, if you feel elevated, it means your mood is going up, right? So you're elevated, like an elevator goes up. Actually, an elevator comes down as well. But if you're elevated, it means you're pleased, your mood goes up. Depression means you're going down and you feel down. Okay, so that's what we mean by elevation and depression. Now, what do they mean in terms of mathematics? Well, let's say we've got some ground here. This is the ground. So this is all, perhaps this is mud down here. And maybe we have a tower. I'm not very good at drawing, but we've got a tower sitting here. And why not even have some windows in the tower? Why not? Okay, now let's say there is a point here. Let's say call that point P. And what we're trying to do is we're going to try and describe or show the angle of elevation from P to the top of the flag on the tower. I haven't got a flag yet, so let's draw a little flag. Here's our flag. And there is the top of the flag. And our angle of elevation, we're going to draw a straight line now that joins up from our point P up to the top of our tower. And the angle of elevation is this angle here. Okay? And of course we could easily measure that. So let's do that quickly. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of what I've got here. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. And I'm going to do this. Is that into there? Right. So, how do we measure the angle of elevation? Well, you can do it with a protractor. So, let's see what we've got in terms of a protractor. Where is it? Where's my protractor? No, that's strange. Can't find my protractor. Where's it gone? No. How odd. Oh, here we go. Yeah, protractor. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my protractor down so that my angle sits here. Actually, I think I have a better protractor than this. Here we go, that's better. And my angle now is from here to here, so we can see that we're going 10, 20, 24 degrees. Hopefully you can see that, it's 24 degrees. So that's my angle of elevation. Right, let's go back over to here and let's discuss an angle of depression. Well, maybe there's a little tunnel that's been dug underneath this castle for the damsel to escape down. And right down here there's actually a ladder like that. And maybe there is a way of saying what the angle is between the point P and the top of that ladder. If we're basically going down, I'm just going to get rid of all this mud down here. Mud. Then this angle is called an angle of depression. So this is the angle of elevation. And if we're going down, this is the angle of depression. And we could measure that in a similar way.